Hey guys, Tony with Carolina Kayak Adventure. So I'm editing a video right now from a trip I had this past weekend, and man, we have had like torrential rains. It's been really crazy over the last 3 weeks. Matter of fact, in this part of North Carolina, we've actually had as much rain up to this point this year as what we normally have all year long. So it's been really rainy. And it's interesting to see how does that affect fishing. And I'm curious, I want to know what you guys think. In your area, when you get a ton of rain, and I'm talking about we've had a lot of rain. When you get a lot of rain, how do you feel like it affects your saltwater fishing? Does it push drum out? Where are you going? I really want you guys to leave me some comments about that. Are you pushing closer to the inlets where maybe it's flushing a little bit more? Or do you find that it doesn't even affect them at all? I'm really curious to know. But anyway, so take a look at this video. I went out. I actually went probably as far away from the inlet as you can get, and got started there. But anyway, take a look. All right, man, you don't even understand how excited I am to be out here today, because it has rained for like 3 weeks. It's been crazy. So I'm headed over here to Everett Bay. We'll see if I can get on a little top water. See if we can make it happen. Joe, what's up, buddy? What going on? What you up to, man? I'm fishing right now. I couldn't go offshore though, man.
Well, we go inshore.
Where y'all going?
Bridge.
Is it open? When did it open, man? Golly. Check it out.
You load your stuff back on the truck. Come on.
When did it open up?
I don't know. About a week ago.
Man, it might even be worth it. What time is it?
Ain't no end.
Alright, I may head that way because I ain't been catching nothing. I've been here since the sun come up.
Come on then, because ain't nobody been fishing out there lately.
Alright, cool deal. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, man. Alright, so check this out. Joe just called and he said he's down at the high-rise bridge, and that's a wildlife ramp we've been waiting to be opened back up for a long time. So I'm gonna head back to the ramp, load my stuff up, and head over there and hook up with Jackson Joe. All right, here we are at the high-rise. First time I've been here in a long time. They've had the wildlife ramp here shut down for a while, and they just opened it up. And there's some really good spots, man. There's some bays back up that way, some bays over that way, some really good spots. Jackson Joe and Yak C. Carl Banks are out here already, so I'm headed to go meet these guys, see if we can find some fish. Check them out, Osprey. That's no joke, buddy. You gotta be a serious pilot to be able to fly one of those things. Haha. Here we are. Break time.
In the rain.
In the rain. This has been the weather in North Carolina for the last, I don't know. But we're all kind of a little bit crazy enough to get out here and go kayaking. As I was putting my kayak in the water, there was a emergency alert that came over the radio saying it's supposed to be a flash flood. But I figured the fish already wet, so.
They already wet.
Out here with Jackson Joe and Yak C. Carl Banks.
That's it.
Making it happen.
Stay tuned.
Go ahead. Sometimes sometimes it's fun to get out and just kind of wade. It's really shallow right here, so it's kind of like, it's a little tough with the pedal drive to get over here, but it's a sand bottom right here, so it's not a bad spot to get out.